Hey, it's Ivan. I've created an automation system that helps you turn Facebook groups into a growth strategy. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you an overview of 3 automations that are part of this system that will allow you to extract data from Facebook groups, to extract members from Facebook groups, and update and monitor those members. Now, how can you use this information? You can either use it for an outreach strategy, or you're going to use it to cross the data with your customer base or with data from your prospect customers, and then outreach these people with a good excuse that they are already looking for your service. You can tap into these members and use it as a growth strategy to outreach them or to send them targeted ads to these members of the groups. That is the last and best use case of this data, is not to go out and spam people with messages, although it can be done, but to grab this information and then send targeted Facebook ads to people that are already looking for your solutions, for your products. Now, let me walk you through the system. So the first step is a scraper that is capable of getting you the list of Facebook groups. So, for instance, you go into Facebook groups, you enter a query, you enter the location, and now we're going to use this automation that will get us the list of Facebook groups. So we're going to click here, extract Facebook group search list into Google Sheets. I will create a new Google Sheets where I will save this information. So you can name it however you want. Then you can also pick your own spreadsheet. Then I will select that I want 30 groups, and I will run this. And this will extract the data from Facebook directly in a few seconds and get me that first spreadsheet where I can just filter it and start making my strategy upon this to get the members of the selected group. So now we have this spreadsheet. Very quick, this was scraped, and this is the information we were able to retrieve. Group name, link, details, description, Facebook search query. Now let's say with this information, I just want to focus on a few of these. So let's say I'm going to focus on these 3, right? Now, in these 3, there's already 8K members, 2.3 members, 5K members that I want to get in the radar of those people so I can send them targeted information. But I don't want to spam everyone in the group. I only want to access the latest people who joined the group, right? The new members. So let's go into these 2 examples. And I'm going to show you the second automation. Go to the members. And from here, we're going to run an automation that will scrape these new members, how many you want, into a spreadsheet. Now you're probably thinking, oh, but we want this to be a fully automatic, so I don't even have to trigger it. We'll get there in a second. So let me show you this one. So let's say you're just building your strategy. You want to have that initial list. You're going to use this one that is save Facebook group members and update in Google Sheets. So in this case, I want to get the last 100 members that joined this group. And I'm going to create a spreadsheet that is going to be prospect Facebook group members. Now we will see what that spreadsheet information will look like in a second. So this is basically scraping those members and creating that spreadsheet. Okay, great. Now this added these 100 rows of members with the information from Facebook when they joined, additional data and the group name inside this spreadsheet. Now, only this is enough information for us to then target this specific list of in Facebook ads, for instance. So until now, we already have done great progress. Now, let me show you how to turn this into something sustainable, right? Because what happens if you want to run this automation again in 2 weeks? Well, now you might have some of these profiles that will be the same ones that you scraped a few weeks ago. So you don't want that. So now this other automation will help you add and update those members. So the way you run it is the same. You simply, let's say I'm going to get 10 new members from this Facebook group real estate members spreadsheet. I run this. And this will check if there's already existing members that have the same URL, and it'll just update them instead of just creating new duplicates, basically. So as you can see here, no rows were added. We still have the same, and just these were updated. Let's dive into the next one. And the final one and the coolest one is, like, what if I want to every 2 weeks track these new members to join the group, right? So for this, we're going to use this Autobook that you will also have included inside this hub. And the way it works is you activate it and input the name of the spreadsheet that is called Facebook, the spreadsheet we created to host these members, and the Facebook group link. So this would be exactly this link with the members. Now you input it here, and then this will every 2 weeks go extract the data on the background, just as it's doing right now. And this will happen in your browser, by the way. So you won't notice it. Just every 2 weeks when you log into your computer, it'll go into this page, it'll extract the information, and then update that spreadsheet. And from there, you can turn this into a sustainable strategy, outreach these members, or target them via Facebook ads. So to finish this strategy, we will find the user ID from these links, because that will help us build this customer audience that you can use to target those members of those groups inside Facebook. So basically, you can make a custom ad that is talking to people inside that group, or you can have a custom message for people that come from groups, and you will have a direct way to target them this way. You have the user ID, and you can use that as one of the main identifiers to input that information into Facebook ads and then directly target those members. So that is one way. Or the second way, if you want to do more of a sales outreach approach, you can just go into each one of these members and then drop a message. This can be automated. It's a bit more complex, but it's something that can also be explored. Or the second approach is if you're trying to do sales outreach to the members of these groups, you can just have someone assigned to go into the spreadsheet and contact the members of this group and just drop a message that is customized for this person because they recently joined the group, and you can have a specific offer based on that timing and based on the fact that they are part of the same group as you are. So that is another hack. This can also be automated, but it has a bit more complexities involved, and this might also have some risks within Facebook. But reach me out if you're also interested on this. Okay, so to recap, this is an automation system that will allow you not only to get access to powerful scrapers, but to also turn them into actionable information that you can use for outreach or for Facebook ad personalization. Now, these 4 automations will be included in the hub, so you can access it, and let me know what you think about these automations and if they can move the needle for your business. And if you'd like this project to be customized for your company, reach out to us, because we also do custom implementations of systems like this ones, or custom agency projects for automating workflows that are high impact for your business. So thank you very much, and leave a thumbs up, leave a review on the product, and I hope you like this new system.